So we're pretty much wrapped up, folks. I was going to show a demo of a tool that I vibe coded, but the tool will be broken in its alpha test phase. We had some terrible issues with internet this morning, and we're running a little short on time. So what I'm going to do is record a real quick demo video and put that out on LinkedIn on our WhatsApp channel as well. The nuts and bolts of it is I have a requirement for a film that I'm post-supervising on right now. It's going to be shown on Monday, and we have several sequences that don't have sound design yet. The edits are going to be ready tomorrow morning. So I saw this in advance and wanted to prepare, my team to just get sound design as quickly as possible. So I was aware that there was an API inside of DaVinci Resolve. I was aware of an API on Google Gemini. I was aware of an API on 11 Labs, and I made a little script and MCP server and API call around that analyzes video, scans the video like the best Hollywood sound designers around. I gave it the creative scope of legendary sound designers like Ben Burtt and Gary Rydstrom, et cetera, et cetera. It crafts prompts in that context for Foley, for atmos, for all the layers of sound design that you really want to get out of a tremendous visual project, and it will create prompts based on what it sees in the video. It will also analyze the audio too, but I haven't even tried that yet. I just wanted to see what it could get in the visual sense. Gemini scans it, gives those prompts. The helper tool sends those prompts to 11 Labs. 11 Labs API brings back all of those elements, the individual WAV files, and then the helper script with all the correct file names, the correct binning, brings them into DaVinci Resolve and puts them timecode accurately to what it saw in the timeline. And it works really well when you're hardwired, but not over Wi-Fi. So I will put a clip out to show you that. The stuff that comes out of it is blowing my mind already. Just getting your first pass sound design with 70 layers of tracks sometimes. Maybe 30% of those are duds, but you start to take away, and you have so much richness in it already. So that's my blind explanation of it, but I'll post a clip about it and get that in front of y'all. The real cherry on top of that is I also discovered DaVinci Resolve's native AI auto mixer tool, which is available in the Studio platform of DaVinci Resolve as well. It will analyze all of your audio tracks, categorize them, and give you a really solid first mix to start tweaking with. It will take into consideration your dialogue, it will take into consideration your music cues and all of your music beds that are in there. It'll apply multi-band compression, it'll apply voice isolation if there's any noise inside of the footage as well. These are all completely pliable, tweakable after the fact tools inside of DaVinci Resolve. So this film that I'm working on has really solidified even more to me. I am a DaVinci Resolve zealot, but I am 1,000% more so now. I am color grading and compositing on the Fusion page tab in 2K and 4K, and it all syncs and talks to each other. We have 5 editors working on this right now across completely different boxes. We're working across Blackmagic Cloud, and it is working spectacularly well across editorial, narrative, sound design, color, and now compositing on my side as well of AI-generated elements for visual effects augmentation. So I'm really encouraging everyone to, if you've been kind of nervous about getting into DaVinci Resolve, it is so phenomenal how they've been able to bring everything out in one unit. It's a one-time fee for the Studio Edition as well. It's about $299 American, so just about 400 Canadian. But that is forever. You get updates forever out of it. It's not a perpetual fee. And I'm telling you, if you're curious about vibe coding at all, if you've spent 10 minutes in Claude Code, the API in DaVinci Resolve is so malleable and flexible to what you want it to do. You can do pretty much anything. So, and you can build your own pipeline with it, basically. So I don't have visuals to show you that it actually proves that it works but I will give you real ones, not generated visuals. I swear on my heart that they will be real, and I can't wait for you to see this and get your feedback on it.